ready?
Yeah.
Mama always said no bugs in the kitchen. Well, it's time. Bugs in the kitchen, the greatest game you'll ever play.
There's a bug in the kitchen. Quick, who'll catch it first? This bug's on the loose and moving fast. Guide the bug into your trap. One wrong turn and he'll get past. Use the utensils to lure it into your trap. Roll the die to see whether you can turn a fork, a knife, or a spoon. React fast. Move the utensils in the right direction to guide the bug into your trap. Each bug you trap earns you 1 bug token. The first player to collect 5 tokens wins the game.
Hi. You ever wanted to play, but you thought to yourself, the colors are neat that they have, but it sure would be fun to make my own? Well, now you can with Make Your Own, mixed by me, Thinking Putty Kit.